How to access the clipboard on Android. In this video, I'll show you how you can access the clipboard on Android. So to get started, go ahead and open your Android device and then head over into an app such as a messaging app on your device. And then from here, go ahead and select a conversation where you can actually converse and use your keyboard. Since I cannot find one from here, I can also create a chat by clicking on the start chat button. So I'll simply start a chat instead of look for a specific conversation, and then select the recipient of the message, and then in here click on this clipboard icon which you'll find on your keyboard, and that will allow you to access your clipboard on your Android device. So that is how you can basically access the clipboard on Android.